Okay, it's Pro Lights. So 827, it's David Sander Viterbo. Yun, no? David Viterbo, then Bornok Mangosong. So Maclean Aguilar, Boboy Antonio, it's Sikeramento, and then Jesse Reliosa. So Pro Lights. So dito rin tayong Fresh from Australia, our international rider Joel Evans. Team Goodboy, Joel Evans.
Pwede po kayong maka-aksidente ng rider pag pumasok kayo. So ito na ang ating player scheduled for 12 laps of racing.
International rider versus Filipino rider. 5-second board is up. Yun! Who's got the whole shot? I think it's from Honda. Yun! Boboy Antonio, Jesse Reliosa, Joy! Joel Evans! Yun! Battle of 12 laps. So Joel Evans, Boboy Antonio, Jesse Reliosa, Maclean Aguilar, Bornok Mangosong, Sikeramento, and then David Viterbo. So leading the race, yan, Joel Evans, followed by Boboy Antonio. Wow! Oy, Bornok Mangosong, nasa panatong pwesto na. Bornok Mangosong, Jesse Reliosa, Maclean Aguilar. So leading the race, it's Joel Evans from Australia, followed by from Team Honda, Boboy Antonio, Bornok Mangosong, Jesse Reliosa, Maclean Aguilar, David Viterbo, and Sikeramento. So yun, Battle of 12 laps is Pro Lights. 250 all. Yun, no? Whip to the left, whip to the right. Grabe. So international rider versus Filipino rider. Scrap guys. Ayan, oh. Oh. Wow. Wow naman. Yo, Bornok Mangosong on third. Yun. Fourth, Maclean Aguilar. Fifth, oy, Jesse Reliosa versus David Viterbo. Yun, Sikeramento. So, ayan, dikit na dikit. Boboy Antonio versus Joel Evans, followed by Bornok Mangosong. Yun, no? So, Joel Evans leading the race. Boboy Antonio, Bornok Mangosong. Yun. Maclean Aguilar, David Viterbo, Jesse Reliosa, and then Sikeramento. Yun, no? Grabe, bakbakanay, Pro Lights Battle of 12 laps. Yun, no? Joel Evans leading the race. Yun, no? Bornok Mangosong versus Boboy Antonio. Wow! Grabe! Yan! Ayan! Dumidikit na si Bornok kay Boboy. Ayan! Parang nakuha na. Wow! Andyan na Bornok Mangosong on second. Joel Evans leading. So Bornok Mangosong natin pangalawa. And then third it's Boboy Antonio. Yun o. Oh! Lumilingon-lingon na si Evans. Kasi andyan na si Bornok sa kanyang likuran. Yun. Grabe, scrub. Bornok Mangosong on second place. Boboy Antonio third. Oy! So, ayan o. Wow! Yan, Bornok Mangosong oh! Grabe! Nakasignature pa sa ere. Grabe ng mga rider to. Yun no? Joel Evans leading all the way. Bornok Mangosong on second. Grabe si Bornok guys. Nipirma pa sa ibabaw. Yun no? So leading all the way it's Joel Evans. Bornok Mangosong on second. Third it's Boboy Antonio. Fourth McLean Aguilar. Fifth David Viterbo. Sixth Jesse Reliosa and Sekiramento. Ayun no. Wow! Wow! Bornok. Wow! Grabe! Oh! Woo! Kasignature pa sa ibabaw. Bornok Mangosong. Grabe bay. Halos ihiga na yung motor sa ibabaw. Yan. Joel Evans leading all the way. Followed by B111 Bornok Mangosong. Yun. Third Boboy Antonio. Ayan, Joel Evans leading all the way. Wow! Bornok. Wow! Yun up! Wow! Grabe! Boboy Antonio! McLean Aguilar! So, malayo pa tayo guys. 12 laps tayo. 12 laps. Yun no? Yeah, Joel Evans leading. Followed by Bornok Mangosong. So leading all the way, it's Joel Evans. Followed by Bornok Mangosong and then Boboy Antonio, McLean Aguilar, David Viterbo. Ayun no? Wow! Bornok. Wow! Wow! Wep! On third, it's McLean Aguilar. So last, I think it's last 4 laps. So Joel Evans leading. Yun! Bornok Pangosong on second. Boboy Antonio on third. So leading all the way, it's Joel Evans. Yun! Wow! Bornok Pangosong on second. Wow! Grabe! Third, Boboy Antonio. Fourth, McLean Aguilar. David Viterbo. So it's Joel Evans leading. Ayan, pumapalayo na si Evans kay Bornok Pangosong. Yun. Bornok Pangosong on second. Third, Boboy Antonio. McLean Aguilar. David Sander Viterbo. Yan, Joel Evans leading all the way. Yun, oh. Wow! Grabe. Whip to the left, whip to the right. Ayun, oh. Yan, Boboy Antonio. Joel Evans leading all the way. Bornok Pangosong on second. Third, it's Boboy Antonio. Fifth, it's McLean Aguilar. David Viterbo. So, yun. Wow, Joel Evans leading all the way. Yun, no? Bornok Pangosong on second. Yun. Joel Evans leading all the way. Second, Bornok Pangosong. Ayan, Jesse Reliosa versus Seiki Ramento. Oh, boy! Muntikan na silang dalawa doon. So ayan, pumapalayo na si Evans. Yung grabing scrap guys, oh. Bornok Pangosong on second. Yun. So, raise the white flag for Joel Evans and then Bornok Pangosong. Yan, Jesse Reliosa versus Seiki Ramento. Raising the white flag for Seiki, Joel Evans and Bornok Pangosong. Ayan, white flag, last lap. So, third it's Boboy Antonio. Fourth it's McLean Aguilar. Yun. Last lap for Joel Evans. Last lap. And then Bornok Pangosong. Yun. Wow, last lap. Waiting for checkered flag. Joel Evans. Ayun, checkered flag. For Joel Evans and Bornok Pangosong. Ayun, checkered. So, thank you for watching, guys.
And on third.
So, international rider versus Filipino rider.
On fourth.
So, please share my video, follow my page, and subscribe my YouTube channel. So, thank you.
So after this, we will have
Third, Boboy, Port, McLean, Fifth, David Viterbo.
we will